My current wheels have a big problem. The glue, used like silicone glue, is coming off and tires are going all over the place. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Just printed out some bead-lock wheels for my car, which is red, and I happen to have red filament. It's a pretty close match. So I found some bead-lock wheels, but unfortunately they were the wrong size, so I had to mess around with them in Fusion 360 and then modify them for the stock size, which is, this is the stock size, and then I made them a little bit wider. I made them 4 mils wider after checking, making sure that the stock size that I had worked. Anyway, I'm gonna put these together and I'm gonna make these available on Thingiverse. So come along with me when I put these on. Pretty secure. All right. Now the wider wheel I found makes it makes the tire actually squish a little easier because it doesn't have the wall strength that it would if the tire were at its normal inflation. So pretty cool. These are also 4 mil wider than the standard ones, the special red ones. Not this one's the same size, but these ones are 4 mil wider. 4 millimeters? Yeah.